Instructions, Madelines. Let's start the lesson. Let's bake Madelines. A list of ingredients is here. Today, I'm going to explain how to bake plain matcha and chocolate Madelines. Eggs should be at room temperature. Granulated sugar, almond flour, and vanilla oil. I use vanilla paste tube. It's okay if you don't have one. It's important that the temperature of butter and honey mixture is 50 Celsius. Keep it warm until you are ready to use. Add all the sugar and whisk well. If eggs aren't at room temperature, you cannot mix well. Add vanilla paste and whisk well again. You can skip this action if you don't have vanilla paste. Add vanilla oil. Don't use vanilla extract because it contains alcohol, so the flavor is gone when it is heated up. Add almond flour. It gives the Madeline a richer taste compared to just using wheat flour. Add sifted flour and baking powder. Stir with a whisk in a circular motion. Add the butter and honey mixture. If it is cooler than 50 Celsius, heat it up again. Cooking is a precise science. It's very important to follow each step exactly. It's ready when the butter becomes smooth. Cover the bowl with a plastic wrap and leave it for 1 hour at a temperature of 30 Celsius. If your oven has the ability to keep a temperature of 30 Celsius, it is perfect. It is okay if you don't have that kind of oven. You can leave the bowl under the sunlight or in front of a heater. After 1 hour, the air bubbles will have left the butter. Next is matcha Madelines. Add light brown sugar to the eggs. If you don't have it, you can use granulated sugar instead. Add sifted flour and matcha powder mixture. When you make chocolate Madelines, add sifted flour and cocoa powder. Mix well until smooth. Leave it for 1 hour at a temperature of 30 Celsius. Use your finger to glaze Madeline molds with softened butter and keep it in the refrigerator. Don't use melted butter because it will run down the side and pool at the bottom of the molds. Also, don't use baking oil spray either. I know it's easy and convenient, but it sticks the Madelines. You don't want to destroy your Madelines. It's ready if your fingers are not sticky. Shift bread flour over the molds. It's important to use bread flour. If you use the pastry flour, the flour combines with the pastry butter, so cakes stick the pan after baking. Flip the mold and pat the back of the mold to get rid of excess bread flour. Spoon the butter into molds. Since the Madeline rises as it cooks, only fill up 80% of each mold. Put in the oven for 14 minutes at 190 Celsius. As you did previously, spoon the matcha butter into molds. Put a few red beans on each. If you don't have them, use white chocolate instead. Matcha and white chocolate match well. Put in the oven for 15 minutes at 180 Celsius. Done. Drop the pan a few times when the pan is still hot and take off the Madelines. Don't wait until the pan becomes cool. Otherwise, you can take off the Madelines easily. You can eat them immediately after baking or let them sit under plastic wrap at room temperature for 3 days because all the ingredients will create a great harmony and develop the wonderful flavors. This recipe is for the electric oven. If your oven is a gas oven, lower the temperature 20 Celsius less than the recipe. I pasted the list under this video for you. If you think this video was useful, please push like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next tutorial video. Bye!